Are you ready?
On the way to think about the middle of it and then you see the whole of the middle thing and it is just
Wow.
breathtaking. It was not
Hello everyone, today we're playing with my big box with lots of pieces to make a big experiment. Let's open it. Wow! This time I'm not going to use the manual, I'm going to use this picture! That's the board. So what does the picture say? Picture says first we need the 2 batteries. So he has the 2 batteries. Well, we do it like this, I think. So that's how we do it. When we put the 2 batteries, we put it like that. And another one like that. And after, when we have done it building this, we put the batteries in over there. And let's see next. So next we need the 2-piece. It's here. The 2-piece goes here. And I'm still keeping the lids. If you touch the batteries and the lids are not on, that would be dangerous. You might get electrocuted. Okay, then 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 7 is under these pieces. And now I'll put these back. Then I need 2 again. Let me just connect because there's 2 trees. Now, after, we need 4 and then the radio. 4 and the radio. The radio makes music. And it makes lots of different kind of music. Music. Makes music and music. Makes music. So I need from 15 is here, then a 2 and a 5. So where's the 3? I got 2 here, and 5. And then I'm 5 here, 1, 2, 5, then 5. So 2 and a 5 and 15. 2 and a 5 and 15. I think that stays there. And then that stays here. And then we use the book after we are done and make another experiment. First we will see what this one does. After we do the one, a 2 and a 2. Let's find the 2 and a 2. Here's 2 and a 2. It's already right for me. 2 going down, then a triangle, then a big fat little piece, then a green triangle with the tree. With the tree, and now we need 2. So the 2 goes here. And then we need and then a 3, then a 5, and then another 2. Okay, first, then we need them two. Two, yes? That'll make it better. I need to set the battery. I hope that doesn't get over and out of battery. One on the big journey. Glass. Next, turn it around. This must be experiment is so cool. Then we need to get the safety things. Are you ready?
That's what. Think about the middle of it, and then you see the whole of the northeast, and it is just
Wow.
breathtaking. And there's nothing.
I just made my own radio.
From the BBC.